Namaste and welcome to Himalayan Yoga Association online classes. Today we are going to learn about some joint movements, and after joint movements we will do Surya Namaskar, Hatha Surya Namaskar. So first, in starting, you have to sit properly in any comfortable posture you want to prefer yourself. It can be lotus pose, half lotus pose, or simple cross leg position, or you can sit in Vajrasana as well. Close your eyes. Deep inhale and deep exhale. Now we will chant one time Om. Deep inhale. Relax yourself. Feel the vibration of mantra in your body. Joint your both palms in front of your chest. Rub your both palms. Touch on your eyes, touch on your face, touch on your whole body. Slowly pranam your asanas. Bow down your head towards God and then slowly open your eyes. Sit in Dandasana just for a quick joint movement. Start with your toes. 1, 2, 3. Inhale, exhale, change one by one. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Change both feet together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Rotate. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5 rounds anti-clockwise. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shake your legs. Bend your knee. Rotate. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 rounds anti-clockwise. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I am showing this you in a fast way, but you guys have to do it very slow, because in previous class I have told that how to do joint movements of full body. But today we will go one step further and we will do Surya Namaskar. So that's why I am showing you a quick joint movement warm up. But you guys have to do it very slow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 round anti-clockwise. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly leg down. Shake your legs. Now bend your both leg in butterfly. Do butterfly. Just sit in simple cross leg position. Look front. Raise your both arms up. Inhale up, exhale down. 2, 3, 4, 5. Now inside and outside. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Outside. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Sorry, rotate. 1, 2, 3. You have to touch your elbow. 4, 5. Anti-clockwise. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Release. Now head. Inhale front, exhale right side. 2, 3, 4, 5. Lateral bend. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is a very quick joint movement, but remember guys, you have to do it very slow and properly. So then next, come in a tabletop position. Your palm should be under your shoulder. Your knees should be open according to your hips, and you flex your toes. Inhale. You have to open your chest. When you will inhale, you have to open your chest, roll your shoulders, look up, curve your spine, push your lumbar down. Your lumbar, you have to push it down, and you have to lift your chest up. So you have to make a curve on your spine like this, and exhale. Lock your chin on your chest. Marjory Asana, cow and cat pose. Make a hunch on your back. Inhale again. 4, 5, 6, 7. Look up. 8. Look down. 9. Look up. Curve your spine. Push your lumbar down. Open your chest. Exhale. So this is Marjory Asana. Marjory Asana is very good for your spine movement. It gives relax. If you do this exercise, you will not feel back pain. Now our second exercise in this is our spine twisting. So for that, raise your right arm up by the side. Look at your right palm. Exhale, your right palm will go all the way down, and your right shoulder will be down on mat. And inhale, your left arm up, and you have to look at your left palm, twist your spine. You can take your left hand more back if you want to. And then you have to come back the way you have gone in the pose. Again, left palm down. Your right arm will be go by the side up, and exhale, palm on the mat again. Same you have to do with your left hand. Inhale, left arm up. Exhale, left shoulder down on the mat. And inhale, again your right arm up. Hold here for a few seconds. As per your comfort, you can hold 5, 10, 15. Again, exhale, palm down. Inhale, left arm up, and exhale again. So this is a twisting posture in tabletop position. Very good for your spine. It gives relief to your whole spine. Now we will change our posture. Now we have to raise our right arm up and left leg back. Stretch your right arm front as much as you can, and left leg back. Your left leg toe pointing outward, backward. Stretch. Maintain your balance. Don't go like this. Don't go like this. This is the wrong position. Just straight. and exhale. Your elbow should touching on your knee. Inhale, open. Exhale, close. Down. You can do 5 to 10 times. Then change again. Right leg back and left arm up. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. And then release. Again, you have to do with same counting. If you are doing 10 times from one side, then you have to do 10 times from another side. Keep it equal, don't miscount. Now after completing tabletop positions, we will be doing today Surya Namaskar. Surya Namaskar is very important. If you are going for some asanas laterwards, do not go direct towards the asanas. Just do a quick warm up by doing joint movement, then some tabletop positions, and then you can go for Surya Namaskar, and then your peak poses, whatever you want to do, back bending, stretching after. Because in Surya Namaskar, your full body warmed up, and you can do properly after your asanas. So come in front of a mat, take 1 feet distance from your mat. Look front, open your shoulders. Exhale, joint your both palms for Pranamasana. Joint your both palms in front of your chest. Inhale, raise your both arms up very slowly. Don't go much deep in starting, just look up, hands back. Hastuttanasana. 3, stretch your spine, go forward, stretch your hand all the way down. Hastuttanasana. 4, send your left leg back. Asvasanchalana. Then tuck your toe and take your right leg back. Mountain pose. You have to try to look on your mat and push your spine down as much as you can. Bend your knees. Chest and chin on the ground. You have to put only knee, chest and chin on the ground. Inhale, slowly swing up for Bhujangasana. And exhale, tuck your toe and lift your hips up and go down deep as much as you can, but slowly and gently. Remember, your right leg should come front first. Right leg front. Again, Asvasanchalana. Again, tuck your toe, lift your leg up, front, Padhastasana, all the way come up, Hastuttanasana, look back, stretch your spine, feel the spine, you have to pull your spine up in Hastuttanasana, up and back, don't go back, first push up, stretch up and then go back and exhale, pranam and release your hands. So we have done from our right leg. Now we will have to do from our left leg. Again, come in front of a mat. Exhale, pranam. 2, inhale, raise your both arms up. 3, exhale, fully forward down. 4, now you have to remember, you have to take your right leg back. You have to change your leg. Asvasanchalana. 5, tuck your toe. Send your left leg back in mountain pose. 6, knee, chest and chin on the ground. Make curve. 7, swing up for Bhujangasana. 8, again tuck your toe. Lift your hips up for mountain. 9, bring your left leg front. Asvasanchalana. 10, bring your right leg front. Padasthasana. 11, inhale, all the way come up, Hastuttanasana. 12, exhale, pranam. So when we do with our both legs, our first set will complete. So it is important to do with both legs, and you can do around 5 sets of Surya Namaskar for a good warming up of your body. And if you do not want to do like asanas, main asanas like back bending, stretching, just do asana salutation of 5 to 10 sets per day regularly. Your stretching will improve, your back bend, your forward, because in Surya Namaskar your whole muscle and whole body works when you do Surya Namaskar. So it's important to do Surya Namaskar regularly. So after completing 1 set, 2 sets or like 4 sets, your last set should be with your holding. You can hold in any asana, like when you will do pranam asana. And remember, just please breathe whenever you do asanas. Exhale, pranam. Inhale, Hastuttanasana. Look back, and you can hold here. You can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 3, exhale, Hastuttanasana. Hold 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now you have to send your left leg back. Again you can hold. It's not important that you count by your mouth. Just count in your mind. Hold 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now right leg back. And hold 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Bend your knees, chest and chin on the ground. Hold 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale. Lift your chest up for Bhujang. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Again go for mountain. Hold 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right leg front. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Left leg front. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale, pranam and release. So with holding, counting, it's important to do one, 2 or 3 sets with holding. We have completed our holding from right leg. Now we will change. Now we will do with left leg. Same. Exhale. Inhale. 3 exhale. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now we have to send our right leg back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Left leg back. Mountain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Knee, chest and chin on the ground. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale. Swing up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Remember, in Bhujangasana you have to keep your feet together and you have to lift your chest up. If you cannot straight your elbows like this, just do like this. As much as you can lift up your chest, just hold like this in Bhujangasana. If you cannot just lift like this, put your elbows on the mat and lift in Cobra pose. And then exhale, go back again in mountain pose. Hold 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Again, left leg front. Drop your knee, flex your toe. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You have to feel the stretch on your quadricep muscles, in your front thigh and in your lower thigh also, front leg, lower thigh. You will feel stretch here also. You have to push your pelvis down. Tuck your toe, bring your right leg front. Hold 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If you cannot place your palm on your mat, just put your palms here and look front. Then slowly look down, slide down, slide down, slide down, and then one day you can put your palms on your mat. Inhale, come up. If you want to, after 3 to 4 sets, you can go deep in your every asanas in Surya Namaskar. Look up and exhale, release. So guys, today we have successfully completed our Surya Namaskar, joint movements, tabletop positions and Surya Namaskar. 3 things we have done. So guys, please do regular yoga for staying fit. It is very important to do yoga, and please do not forget to like, subscribe and press the bell icon for more yoga videos. Namaste, stay safe, stay happy.